helmet visor or clean it or take it off for cleaning is you put a couple drops of silicone at the pivot points. And some helmets used to come with a little bottle of silicone that you could just squeeze out a couple drops when you remove your helmet for cleaning or maintenance or whatever. I found out the hard way that if I couldn't get my helmet visor off too easily when I wanted to clean it thoroughly because of all the bugs in the springtime, that a pivot point or hinge could crack on you. So I had to order a new visor for my Impulse, and it was an exact replacement, so no problem there. But before I reinstalled it, I decided I'm going to put some silicone on where it pivots and opens and closes and so on. I thought it was always for keeping the rubber seals malleable when you shut your face shield all the way. But I found out there's another good use for the silicone, and that's making it easy to raise and lower your shield. Mine is now smooth as silk, and I like the result. So I thought I'd share that quick tip with you. I also thought I would talk about windshields and the shape of windshields is important. This one is on this bike, which is the Indian Challenger, is the Freedom Shields. I think it's 18-inch, if I remember right. Tinted, you can get them tinted, or you can get them clear. This one's tinted. The Indian heavyweights, or bikes like this size, I know the Scouts don't and the Springfields don't. But the heavyweights, like the Roadmaster, Chieftain, and the like, they come with these push-button up and down shields, and this can go up. I think this is high right now, but it also goes down quite a bit, which right now is a blessing because we've got at not even, well, I guess it is 9:30. Quite a bit of heat already. It's 80, 83 going up. The prediction is 93. So I got it down pretty far. You get more wind on the chest, more breeze, makes it more comfortable. And then you can modulate it if you want to go up a little bit. Let's say you're heading into a headwind, you can raise and lower it while you're riding or on the fly. I know my Goldwing had it, and not my 2008 Goldwing, and that was a fixed windshield. So with the curve on the top, you're able to get a shorter shield because it is designed to move the air up and over your helmet, which it does. I don't feel any buffeting. It's a little noisier with the windshield down this low, however, not bad at all, but I'm definitely getting more ventilation, which feels kind of nice. I know I purchased different Goldwing shields, one for the winter, one for the summer, and the summer one had a recurve on it, so I was able to get a short one with tint. I think it was by Clockworks, if I remember right. And I had a lot of compliments on that particular windshield. far as the tint goes, if you like looking through your windshield and you ride at night, you might be better off getting a non-tinted or clear shield. But if you're like me, mostly daytime outings, tinted shield, especially right now when the sun reflects brightly off of the tarmac, tinted is a nice way to go. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, catch you on the next one. Cheers.